So my colleague Josh recommended Clean Haven Naturals. I see you on TikTok, Charlene. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Whew. I am such a sucker for like custom printed tissue paper. I know it's such a little detail, but I love it so much. Like, I'm gonna save this. This is very pretty. This is very pretty. I like that a lot. Do I see a sample? I do. So this is lemon verbena. All right, let's see. A thank you card, so cute. I'm loving the purple theme. This is so sweet. I like that a lot. Oh, there she is. Okay. This is kind of like a box set, like a gift set. Yep, I would be super happy to open this as a present. This is very cute. I do not remember what fragrances I chose, but I do know that Clean Haven Naturals does have quite a few options, so you can kind of like make your own custom set. So this will be a fun surprise for me. Welcome home. Really nice color. Weather turning. I think I went with like a moody theme here. So flannel blanket. I see a lot of scents that have like sweater weather, cashmere, flannel blankets, lumberjacks, and I'm always interested to see what people's interpretations of those are. I like that so much. That is really, really comforting and cozy, so flannel blanket fits really well there. So that was Clean Haven Naturals. Definitely go check them out.